Okay, so I'm trying to record this clip really quickly because I'm sitting at a red light and I'm on the way to the store. So today I'm just going to the beauty supply store. Not in my town. I gotta drive to the town over because like they don't have good beauty supply stores over in my town. And then I'm just gonna record a little bit in the store, not like a vlog, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna record again when I get there. Obviously the process of my hair. This is not the intro, but this is something after the intro probably. I just want this to be a good video today, guys. So yeah, I'll record again when I get there because I'm driving now. So hey, what's up, guys? So I didn't get too much at the store. I didn't even record that much at the store because like there was so much going on. But let me show you what I got. This. So I can make those butterfly locks look cute. These little gold clip thingies. The crochet hook, he gave me this for free. This, I don't think I really needed this, but like in so many videos I've seen them braid it, so I like bought it. Braid a little bit like here. You're gonna see. I watched a video. I'll link the girls stuff down there because like I don't remember off the top of my head, but like I just seen her today and I've watched her video and I was like, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna record it. And this is the hair that I got. I don't know too much about hair, guys, so but I watched a video like I said, and this is the hair that she got. So like I don't know if there's a better one out there or what, but this one works just fine. So let me just tell you like what I think is gonna happen in the next part. I'm gonna like section my hair off and like braid it a little bit, but I'm gonna braid this into it. So I've never even done anything like this before, so hopefully this shit comes out somewhat decent, because I'm gonna be mad if it doesn't, honestly. This is the hair. We're gonna end up eventually braiding this into my hair, but you know how it's gonna go. So on to the next part. Okay guys, so I'm back. I didn't want to just leave you guys, but it's like a day and a half later. So what I did, basically I braided it in. I figured y'all didn't want to watch that whole process, and that took span over like the last day, and I was so tired, my arms were tired and I couldn't do no more, but I wanted to test out doing some of like the dreads. So like this, the butterfly locks, I said the dreads. This is the outcome, but I wanted to start from the back to the front, but then I was like, nah, let me not do that, because if I have to go to work tomorrow. Like I waited to the last second, and I'm a procrastinator, so I just need to do the front to the back at least, so like if I have to pull my hair back, I can at least look presentable in the front. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did to start. So in the video, the girl, she like took one of these. Oh damn, I should have got the water. Wait, guys, I don't even braid or do anything to my hair normally, so like don't kill me about the names. But I take the hair and basically it comes together in a pack, and you just take one of them and just pull it out. This isn't really a tutorial, I'm just showing you guys like my process in attempting this. This could go okay, and I just don't even like it, but we're just praying for the best. We're not and be negative about anything. So I'm just gonna take this and then take the hook. This is my first time ever doing this, guys, too, so like for real, props to me for leaving. Oh shit, I'm trying to look, bitch. So like I struggle, obviously I really struggle with this, but I honestly think that this isn't that hard and anybody could do this. I seen the tutorial and I was like, I need to do this. And I think if you want to look cute and do your hair other than how you always do it, which, well, at least for me, I literally don't do styles and I need to start, then I would suggest this because this is really easy, especially if you're not good at doing hair. So, like me, we're just very decent at doing hair. So basically, like, she wrapped it. She probably wrapped it in a different way, and like, this is not a tutorial, but she wraps it real tight at the roots so that it doesn't come loose or down. And then what she does is she starts to twist it around the hair. I think, guys, this is not a tutorial, this is just me attempting. And then she just wraps it for a moment. You don't want to wrap it too tight, but apparently that's what she said. And then you put your finger in there, I think, and like make a loop and then twist it tight. I'm trying to get this all done before I have to go see my boyfriend at lunch. And not that I have to, I want to. He asked me to. I think it's gonna be cute. If my hair is done and I look cute, and maybe I can pop up with some more, see my hands. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do like maybe 1 or 2 of these, and then I'm just gonna speed through the process because honestly, like, this is not really anything too spontaneous or fun to watch. Like, you're just watching me twist my hair. But yeah, your arm will be tired because my arm is already dead, especially after doing all this yesterday. I have so much hair. But honestly, in the video, she used more hair than me. Like, I didn't need as much as hers. Like, next time I at least know like what I need. And then I just take another one, and then I got like excess. Y'all will see the end result of this. It's cute. So how I do it, this is not a tutorial, I just start twisting it because it's not really gonna come loose. I honestly didn't even look into like how I take this out. I just decided to do it. Excuse me. So yeah, we're just gonna keep twisting it. Ooh. Sometimes I like it to be a little messy, like I don't mind it. Let me pull this. See, like this is like my second attempt. You could obviously see the difference. It's not too much better, but this is obviously not the best. But it's still cute. Like, it's the back of my head, so I'm not too worried about the back of my head. Like, damn. This is not bad for like a first ever like doing my hair like this. And it's so easy to do. Like, I'm not a good braider or anything, but I'm just doing this. And this cost me personally, like, if you don't have any of the supplies, this cost me like $88 at the beauty supply store. For the hair, I got 3 packs of this. I'll put the pictures up because like LOL. And then I got like 7 packs of this one. Dang. So yeah, I think it's so cute. Like, I can't wait to see this all done. Oh, let me flex my tattoo. Oh my god, does she have a tattoo? Guys, okay, so like I just got this tattoo not too long ago, and like I don't know why it's just so dry. And like I moisturize it, I put lotion on it, but it's just dry in certain areas. Like, has that happened to anybody? Does anybody know about that? Like, should I be concerned? Should I be concerned? Oh well. But no, I really don't think it's that bad. It just it feels a little dry, and I don't know if what the fuck is going on there. Okay, so we be having technical difficulties, but it does not matter because this does not have to be a perfect style. Like, honestly, this is just made to look real cute, and it just doesn't have to be perfect. Like, it just doesn't. And I can look cute, bougie on a budget. I'm fucking dead. I just already feel so cute, guys. So I'm gonna speed through the rest of this and I'll be back. So y'all, I decided the rest I'm gonna just finish off camera, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final results. I'm really loving this hairstyle so far. Like, obviously you can see it's coming out nice. So I'm gonna just show y'all what it turns out to look like at the end. Alright guys, so what's up? This is the final results after a day and a half. It's pretty long. This took me too long, but it's really cute, and I added these little things on there too, these little accessories. So, but that's totally optional. I think that, I don't know how I feel about them. I might take them out. I might take some of them out because I kind of have a lot. But yeah, so I'll put pictures and stuff of the final results so you guys can just see it better. And I might take these little clips out, but I don't know. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.